So right here on Friday, August the 25th, you can see I made over $281. This is the first day I actually launched this method, and it still made me over $56 the very next day without even working on it, because this website is going to give you literally free money to your account without you having to do anything at all. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial how to set up this exact same strategy that I used myself to make a little over $300 in 24 hours using this instant viral traffic boost that's going to be bringing you tons of qualified buyer traffic, so you can make tons of money in affiliate commissions too. Now you can do this without any previous skills or experience in affiliate marketing. All you have to do is just have your laptop and an internet connection and a couple of minutes of your time to watch this video from beginning to the end, because somewhere in this video I'm going to show you a website that's going to give you literally free money just for signing up, so you can then reinvest these earnings into this method without you having to spend anything at all. So before we get into all of that, make sure to hit the like button under this video, subscribe to this channel to never miss out on any of my future videos, and also down in the comment section below, do let me know what's your favorite type of affiliate offers that you like promoting yourself. And now just let's get started. Alright guys, so before I show you the website that's going to give you literally free money just for signing up and completing a one small simple task, you want to actually go to an affiliate marketplace to pick an affiliate offer that you are going to be promoting. I highly recommend going with ClickBank.com for this method, because I'm going to show you the exact affiliate offer that I used myself to make a little over $300 in 24 hours, so you don't have to do any testing, skip the entire trial and error part, and replicate the same results very easily. So just go to ClickBank, and if you've never been here before, you want to sign up for your free account. And actually I'm going to show you a simple life hack. If you're going to be signing up to ClickBank.com, you don't want to go with this start here button, just go to this login section, and if you're going to scroll down here, you can see in this login screen, you can find this create an account here button, and if you're going to use that to sign up for your account, you will save a couple of minutes of your time by skipping this very little annoying survey they put out to new ClickBank appliers, so you can start making money that much faster. So just sign up for your ClickBank account, and then you want to log right into it. And once you log into your account, you want to navigate straight to the affiliate marketplace. Now you can use this method to promote any affiliate offer from this marketplace or from any other affiliate marketplace just as well. But I've been testing this method previously with a bunch of different offers, and one of the best niches to go for that's going to be bringing you the best results is found in e-business and e-marketing section. If you're going to go to this section right at the top, you can find this affiliate offer that's called live chat jobs. You have to try this one. Obviously you don't have to try this one, because this is mainly targeted for people who you are going to be promoting this to. But as you can see right here, this affiliate offer will be paying you on average around $65, and with a gravity score of 237, this is one of the best offers to go for right now. Now if you are going to be watching this video sometimes in the future, maybe a couple of months after I actually posted it, this affiliate offer may not be the best option to go for, but pretty much what you want to do is you want to find an affiliate offer that's going to be promoting some type of work from home job or a work from home offer. For example, you can use this for this use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube offer just as well, because as you can see, it's going to be paying you just $25, so it's not that good. Just $25, so you will not be making that much money as with this first one. But if you are going to check out its gravity score and it's going to be higher than the first at the top affiliate offers right now, you can go for that one as well. Pretty much you want to find an affiliate offer that's going to be promoting some type of work from home job, and that's what you want to go for. So I'm just going to show you how to do it with this exact same one that I used previously to test this method out, and all you have to do to start promoting it is just click on this promote button. Obviously this is a no-brainer for anyone who's been on ClickBank before, but for all the new people out there, what you want to do is just fill in your ClickBank nickname into this field, and you want to generate your hop link. This is pretty much like a unique URL that you will be promoting, and it lets ClickBank know that it's going to be exactly you who's going to be receiving all the money from the affiliate commissions. So what you want to do is just make sure to generate your hop link, and then you want to just copy it and save it somewhere where you can access it later. For example, like in this little notepad or somewhere pretty much where you can copy and paste it later. Once you're going to do that, what you want to do next is just go to this website right here. It's called Canva.com, and you want to create a very simple design completely for free on it. What you want to do, just pretty much go to this search bar and just type in there hate Instagram story, and what you want to do is select a blank template for this. Just scroll all the way down here and click on create a blank template, and then you just want to create a very simple design right here on Canva. If you're going to go to this toolbar, just go to elements, and what you want to search for is something like office, and you want to find an image that's going to be showing somebody working in the office. Now pretty much some of these templates or these images are going to be paid, so unless you are using paid version of Canva Pro, you will not be able to use them, but you can pretty much use something like this, for example, that's completely free, so you can just use it to create a very simple design. Just place it on this canvas right here, position it however you want it to look like. I'm just going with this very simple design that's going to be showing these people working in the office, something like this. Then I'm going to position it at the bottom part, and the reason for that is I'm going to show you in just a couple of seconds, but I'm going to resize it a little bit, so it's going to cover a little bit over half of this blank canvas. Then what you want to do is go back to the toolbar and you want to search for work from home, and you want to find an image of somebody that's actually working from home. So if you're going to browse through these photos, you may stumble upon something like this. For example, I'm going to use this image for this template this time because it actually shows this person shows this person smiling because they are working from home and they don't have to be stuck in the office. So I'm just going to position these images something like this, make it a little bit more visible, so it's going to be a little bit enticing, something like this. Okay. Then I'm going to go back to elements and I'm going to search for square, and I'm going to place this square shape on the canvas. I'm going to stretch it all across this canvas. Obviously, I'm going to change its color to really solid dark, just like this. And then I'm also going to change its opacity by going to this checkered icon, so it's going to be transparent and it's going to add this very nice shadowy effect to my template, something like this. Then also what I'm going to do is go back to elements a couple more times and I'm going to search for green check mark, and I'm going to place a green check mark shape that's obviously free, because unless you are paying for Canva Pro, you just want to go for these free templates. They are going to be working just as well for this, so just find one that you want to go with. For example, let's go with this one right here. I'm going to position it something like this, right click on it, go to layers, send it backwards, and I'm going to place it something like this. Okay, then just go to the elements one more time, and this time I'm going to search for this red X button, so it's going to indicate what to do and what not to do. So just search for red X or something like that. Find one that you want to go with, for example like this one right here. Place it on the canvas to the bottom part, to the part where it's showing people working in the office, so it's going to indicate that working from home it's way better than being stuck at the office. And this is what you want to do here. Then just go to the elements one more time and you want to search for something like rectangle or frame or something like this. Pretty much what you want to do is draw a shape like this on your canvas and you want to stretch it. Then just rotate it so it's going to match the canvas perfectly, something like this. And also make sure to stretch it all across the canvas, just like that, something like this. So it's going to create this border around the image, and I'm going to change its color to something bright, for example like this. Then what you want to do is go to the toolbar again and you want to go to text and you want to place a text box on your canvas. What you want to do there is just write something like thousands of people work from home. Then just go ahead and copy this text box, and what you want to type in there is something like why not you ? Then just go back to elements and you want to search for finger or something like this, and you want to place one of these free shapes on your canvas just like this. So it's going to indicate that people should swipe right to find out more, and then just go ahead and place another text box right onto this canvas and type in there swipe to learn more. This is pretty much done. What you want to do now is just go ahead and copy this entire canvas by pressing this duplicate button, and it's going to literally copy and paste the exact same canvas. And what you want to do then is just go ahead and delete a bunch of these elements that you are not going to be needing. Just use the base of this canvas, place another text box in there, and you want to type in there click here to start working from home today. Then just go ahead and find another finger shape just like this, place it in there, and you want to add in there this placeholder text that's going to say link here. This is pretty much all you want to do on Canvas. This is going to literally take you just like a minute or two once you know what you are doing, and pretty much once you're finished this design on Canva, what you want to do is go to this share button and you want to download both of these images to your computer as a JPEG. Select JPEG and you want to make sure you are going to download both of these, then just click on this button to do that. And once you download both of these images, now it's time to start making money with them. For that, what you want to do is go to Shoutcart.com and you want to sign up for your account in here. Once you're going to log into your account, you can see this is like a marketplace where you can buy Instagram shoutouts literally from hundreds of thousands of famous Instagram accounts, and we are going to use this as a traffic source for this method. So pretty much what you want to do is just go to influencers, and it's going to find you all of these accounts that are offering this exact service we are looking for. If you're going to go to this toolbar, you want to filter this by the social media you want to go for, And because we have created the banners specifically for Instagram stories, I'm just going to filter by Instagram. Then what you want to do is go to this search bar and you want to search by keyword that you are going to be promoting on based on the niche of the affiliate product. Now, because we are promoting these live chat jobs, which is pretty much like online paying jobs, I'm going to go with something like job. Just type it in there, hit enter, and it's going to filter these by the keyword that you have put in there. Pretty much what you want to do then is just go through these accounts, find one that you want to go with, and a couple of things you want to pay the attention to is the amount of followers they have for this said account and also the price that they are offering this shoutout service for. Pretty much if you're going to scroll through a bunch of these, you can find some hidden gems. For example, like this account right here with 176,000 followers is offering just for $15 the exact thing what we are looking for. But don't worry, because you don't have to spend any money out of your own pocket for this. All you want to do is just find an account just like this and you want to order from them this Instagram story 24-hour shout out. As you can see right here, this account is offering this service just for $10. So literally just for spending $10 you can promote these images from Canva to over 176,000 targeted followers. So all you want to do then is just make sure you are going to select the service you want to go for, go through the checkout process, send them the images you have created on Canva that you want to post in your story, and also what you want to do is go ahead and send them your affiliate link just as well. You can also go ahead and shorten it on Bitly, Cutly, or any link shortener that you may want to use for this, so it's not going to be this ugly alphabet of letters and numbers. Just make sure to message them that you want the link placed in here where this placeholder text is. And just for lousy $10, these Instagram profiles with literally thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of followers are going to be promoting your images in their story just like this. Now right here you can see this is not something promotional, this is just a regular story that's going to be increasing engagement, but your story is going to be seen just like this with the clickable link that's going to be taking people to the sales page, and all you have to do then is just wait for all the money to start coming in. Now, because I have promised you guys a website that's going to be giving you free money so you can then invest them into this method, to do that, what you want to do is go to coinbase.com and you want to sign up for your free account. Once you are going to do that, you can see down here, if you are going to click on start earning here, you can earn anywhere between $15 up to $30 literally for free in just a couple of minutes. Now obviously it's $18 now, but this number keeps changing every couple of days, so just go ahead and find when it's the best time to do this. All you have to do then is just make sure you are going to watch a bunch of videos about these promoted cryptocurrencies, and they are going to be giving you a small amount of said cryptocurrency for free just for watching a bunch of promotional videos about it, learning a little bit about the cryptocurrency that you can then convert to US dollars, withdraw them to your account, and then you can reinvest them into this method. So literally without spending a single cent out of your own pocket, you can purchase this service for Instagram shoutout, promote your affiliate link with it for 24 hours to literally thousands of targeted traffic, and then just sit back and collect all the affiliate commissions. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this method. Now if you did, make sure to hit the like button if you haven't already, and once you set this method up and you are going to be waiting for all the money to come in the meantime, you can check out this video right here to learn how to make even more money in the same time. So just make sure to click here and I'm going to see you there.